to this video about summer woodland photography. We have a beautiful scene here, and I'm going to start this video with some photos of these beautiful beaches here. So yeah, let's take some photos.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometime. Take some good advice.
Hi and a warm welcome to this video. Today I intend to film a woodland photography video. So I will take photos in the woodland, in the forest here behind the camera, and then I will add relaxing music. So my intention is to make a relaxing woodland video. I hope I will find really beautiful views in the woodland here. I'm going to search for beautiful scenes in the woodland here. So yeah, without further ado, let's try to find some good scenery in the forest here.
And you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes you could all use a friend. Don't let your fears decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright.
And yeah, the scenery is, I said, and I fully agree with myself, this scenery is so similar to the best paintings by Johan Crotean. So yeah, let me take some pictures here, and I will film a little here as well, and I think this will make a beautiful, relaxing video. Yeah, so let's get started.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones.
And here we have a great scenery. What makes this so special? That's these flowers here. So this looks like something from a fairy tale, I think. Let us try to capture some photos here.
Everyone could use a friend sometime. Take some good advice. How the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better